afternoon. As a part of the LGBTQ community, how do you want to be addressed as an individual and why?
As part of LGBTQ diri sa atong komunidad is mas prefer sa ako nga tawgon ko nila pinaagi sa akong pangalan. No, so isip usa ka tumboy, ganahan jud ko nga tawgon ko nila. No, kay dili man siya lain paminawon. Ug biskan man unsay ilang paglantaw sa imuha, is confident jud ka nga ipakita nimo kung unsa ka sa imong kaugalingon. No, so kibali respetado ka sa ubang tao. Bisan man ang ilang paglantaw is dako na kay ng respeto sa imuha, no, party sa imong pagkatao, no, dako na kay ng respeto. No, ang importante karon is dawat ko nila og unsa man ko sa akong kaugalingon o dako kong confident nga ako ning mapakita sa ila kung unsa man ko karon. No, as tomboy, no, proud kaayo ko as part of LGBTQ. So dagang salamat.
Address is part of LGBTQ and why?
As a part of LGBTQ, I identify myself as a gay and I prefer to be addressed as a sir, not a ma'am, because I am a gay man, not a trans woman. For the information of everybody, trans woman is different to the gay. I'm a gay man, so I want people to address me as a sir because I dress like a man. I do not dress like a woman, but I act like a man. So therefore, I want to be addressed as a sir, not a man. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, good afternoon. As part of the LGBTQ community, how do you want to be addressed as an individual and why?
As a bisexual from the LGBT community, I prefer to be addressed by my chosen name and pronouns. For example, like might prefer to be called by my name and use the pronouns them. The reason for this preference is that it reflects my identity and sexual orientation, making me feel respected and acknowledged.
Okay, thank you so much. As part of the LGBTQ community, how do you want to be addressed as an individual and why?
Well, as you can see, I want to address myself as ma'am because my gender pronouns is her or she, and that's what makes me express who I am and makes me prevent to my gender dysphoria.